Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
As you all know, it's the end of the semester and unfortunately I lost class. Therefore, I've decided to have a class party. Okay, calm down, Luca. Calm down. Great. Okay, so here I have cake. Sir? Yes, Josephine? Does it have eggs? Yes, the cake contains eggs. I'm allergic. I can't eat eggs.
Hiya.
I did not know. I'm sorry. Okay. We have pizza.
Sir?
Yes, Leopold.
Is it gluten-free?
I don't think that pizza is gluten-free. Okay. Don't worry, I have more things, don't worry. Chocolates. Sir? Yes, Charlotte.
Does it have peanuts?
Yes, they contain peanuts. They are Snicker bars.
I'm allergic.
Why so weak? So weak.
I have other things too. We have other things, don't worry. Pringles, we all like Pringles.
Sir,
Yes, Antoine.
does it have
Vegetable?
oil?
I don't know. Let me look. Yes, it contains vegetable oil.
I'm allergic.
Okay. And here we have some freshly made tuna sandwiches.
Sir,
Yes, Salome?
I'm allergic to seafood.
Okay, no worries, it's fine. I have more things. I have donuts, puddings, biscuits.
Sir?
Yes? Does it have salt, sugar,
Corn syrup?
cornstarch,
Fructose?
trans fat,
Ketchup?
artificial flavoring, glucose,
Oil? Starch?
black pepper? Was it fried?
Syrup? I'm lactose intolerant. Sir, I'm actually allergic to anything that has a physical form.
Okay, let's just go healthy. I have some fruits. Is there anyone who's allergic to oranges? Sir. Yes, Sana. Do you know if they are local or imported?
Get out! Get out! Get out!
I'll pack up all these things. We will just learn for our last class. Okay, students, take out your books and write the date. Oh yeah, question. Are you allergic to something? What allergies do you have? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't take this seriously. With that said, please give this video a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
Uncle Roger recovering from food poisoning. Hiya. Feel so weak. So weak. Now I know how lactose intolerant niece and nephew feel when they drink milk.